Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to fix your Messenger floating video call not working problem. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to fix your Messenger floating video call not working problem, you can try 2 or 3 fixes to solve your problem. First is go to the Play Store and search for Messenger to check it either it's up to date or not, and if the update button is available instead of the open, try updating your app, and after that try again. Your problem should have been solved. Or if not, you can just go to the settings and search for apps. Let's go to apps directly, and you can see when you scroll down, there is the apps on our interface. Let's tap on apps and search for Messenger and tap on Messenger. Go to the Messenger's storage over here, and after that you can see the clear cache and clear data button available over here. Try clearing your cache at first and again restart your Messenger and check either your problem is still continuing or not. If your problem is still continuing, try on tapping the clear data, and the data on your Messenger will be wiped out and the Messenger will start from new, and there is a chance of your problem might be solved from that activity. Or if not, and if your problem still continues, try reinstalling your Messenger app, and that will fix your problem. And this is how you fix your Messenger floating video call not working problem. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.